So this is how you make a robot. This is my brother right here.
Hi. You may have saw me making this little buddy, but I changed him up this morning, so you let him be the boss.
So you start like this, and then you probably go like thisy. Then you go like, and then you go out. Then you go like thisy, like this. Got it? You got it? Ow, dude. And then you go like that. You go like that.
Why can't you just sit down and be interested in your Why do you have to sit there and be silly and be the center of attention?
Okay, keep explaining what you're doing.
I'm trying.
Okay,
Sorry,
let's
guys.
finish it up there.
Alright, I'm not gonna be funny anymore.
But you can talk into this.
Wait, I can?
Yeah. Like that. And then go like somehow you go.
Oh, really?
Somehow you go like that.
Really?
You go. You get
Sorry.
go like this. And then you go like that. This one was
All right, let's see it, Nick.
But there needs to be something right here.
Okay, well, let's just show it. Let's look at him up from the front. Show me his face. Nice. Now, Willie, where's yours?
He's right here.
Okay, let me see them both.
Woo!